Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix your MOVA Ultra 1000 not docking or charging. First, check the placement of your docking station. Make sure it's on flat terrain, otherwise the robot may have issues entering it. Attach it to the ground with screws using the 6 screw holes on the station. Ensure there's about 1 meter, roughly 3 feet of clear space on each side and in front, so the robot can easily locate and enter the station without obstacles. Next, clean the wheels. Flip the robot over and clean it with low pressure running water, or use a brush for deeper cleaning. Also clean the LiDAR sensor with a microfiber cloth, optionally with isopropyl alcohol. Clean the charging pins on both sides of the front using isopropyl alcohol, water, a dry brush, or a slightly damp cloth. After cleaning, try letting the robot dock automatically by pressing the home button with the cover off or using the recharge button in the app. If that doesn't work, manually place it in the dock by lifting the handle on the back so the motor wheels are up, then push it in until the station light turns from blue to green. If the light doesn't turn on, the station isn't plugged into power, so make sure it's connected. Once docked, run the robot from the app, start mowing or remapping. The robot will come out, rotate, and learn the area, which helps it remember the dock position for future use. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.